Our capabilities all around about helping clients exploit the cloud. If we look at it in the context of SD-WAN, we see that as around helping clients re-engineer their networks to move away from a traditional enterprise sort of walled garden network to one that allows them to go out and use IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS services within the cloud from the likes of AWS, Google, or otherwise other sorts of private cloud services, SaaS services, for example.
What are the key capabilities that the analyst community are looking for from SD-WAN solutions? So the first is transport independent. So what this means is that you can run over any underlying network. Now, I use the word underline or underlay, but this is termed here as transport. They are interchangeable. So if I say transport network or underlay network, effectively it's the physical network that's providing the physical connectivity between sites. And traditionally, it's been MPLS for enterprise customers, but there are other network services out there, as you know, broadband, LTE, 4 and 5G services, and there are other services as well, like satellite services. The other part of the capabilities that are seen from an SD-WAN solution are secure overlay. So this is ensuring we've got a cloud VPN that can run over the top of the transport independent network and create a secure network service across unsecure, potentially public internet services. Also application firewalls, so having the ability for the actual SD-WAN service to support application level firewall services, and having the support for dynamic path selection. So being able to dynamically select which path to take based on live link measurements that are current and up to date, are taken and like it says, they're live, constantly measuring the performance of the network and adjusting the actual flow of the traffic to meet the performance requirements of the applications. And along with that is deep application recognition to support that. And the last thing is a simplified interface. So we talked about deployment of traditional WAN being quite complex in that you have to pre-stage the device, put the configuration on before you send it to site. Zero touch provisioning is what we want from an SD-WAN solution. So you can take a box out without any configuration straight from the factory, plug it into the network and securely bring it up online to your network, into your network. And a simple interface with a single pane of glass with an orchestration platform that you can use to have a global view of your complete network. And RESTful interfaces as well, such that you can perform integration with your ITSM platform, for example, with any ITSOM platform that you have, etc. So this is just an example. I'm yet to prove it, but I'm quite confident with what I've seen from the product that this is a valid example, and I'm sure on the left here we've all been used to this scenario of voice breaking up, video breaking up, etc. And with DMVPN running on, even though you've only got a single link, for example, out from your site, your home site out to the internet, with forward error correction, this is what is being used here. This isn't packet switching between different links. This is applying DMPO and forward error correction to ensure a very good image. So we provide a full 24/7 365 operation center for the management of not just SD-WAN solutions. We're doing local area networks, Wi-Fi solutions for customers, and ability to support cloud infrastructures as well. So we'll be responsible for monitoring management of, like I said, it says SD-WAN environments here, but not just that, up to first, second, third line support and fourth line support, and full support by VMware specifically for SD-WAN where required. And I think the last bit down there is about our ISO 27001 accreditation. We've just gone through it at the moment. I think we've got the sort of like tick in the box, but we're just waiting for the official sign off to be done by the end of June.